JMCQ 10.26 4K dashcam. Rearview mirror camera, Wi-Fi Carplay and Android Auto. Dual lens, car DVR. Video recorder, GPS. Please note, 1. T80 version. Have front camera. Support DVR recording function. Support wireless wired CarPlay and Android Auto. 2. T86 version. No front camera. No DVR recording function. Support wireless wired CarPlay and Android Auto. 3. T80 and T86 all do not have an Android system. They do not support downloading apps from the App Store. 4. Huawei phones are not supported. The front lens and rear view camera record at the same time. Large wide-angle lens with 10.26 large display screen. 1:1 display at the same time. You will save more important information. Stretching design of the front lens. You can get a better angle by adjusting the lens. The JMCQ DVR recorder uses the latest technology. Supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functions. You can easily and safely make calls. Listen to music. Send and receive messages. Use navigation, support Siri, and more. 1. In CarPlay mode, you can use Siri voice for GPS navigation. The 10.26 large screen will be more convenient and safe. 2. In CarPlay mode, you can play mobile music. Connect JMCQ DVR and car radio through O cable or FM channel. Then you can play music through car radio. You will enjoy better sound quality. The third generation JMCQ CarPlay DVR mirror uses Bluetooth 5.0. Added Bluetooth output audio to the car audio system. Bluetooth output audio is more stable and has better sound quality. If your car is not using O audio well, you can change it to Bluetooth output audio. When you use O cable to output audio to the car audio system, you need to select O mode.